Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my refrigerator because I just want to clean because I'm about to go grocery shopping and I just want it, looking as fresh as possible. So if y'all not already subscribed, please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Please make sure y'all hit that like button, and please make sure y'all hit that notification bell so that y'all get every video below. So yeah, let's just get into it. So this is how it looks. The door and the refrigerator. Okay, first I'm gonna just get this bowl, and I just like to put some really hot water in here.
So I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Watch you bend that back for me. We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
Okay, so the refrigerator is all clean now. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and place all of my items back in the refrigerator. Alright, y'all, so if y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up, and please make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.